Hey guys, what's up? I want to do a quick update on this KICKER CXA1200.1 amp. I made a video not too long ago with some problems that I was having with it going into protect mode when the bass would hit. So I finally figured out my issue with it. I just wanted to share with you guys what I did to get that resolved. Pretty much what I ended up doing was I swapped out all my wiring and replaced it with all OFC wiring. Originally I was using some cheap wire that I purchased from eBay for like 20 bucks. 4-gauge wiring. I replaced all that wiring out. I ended up using sky-high car audio wiring. I went from the battery to the back with the 0 gauge, and then I used here. I used this capacitor that I had running to do pretty much use it as a splitter here. So now I got the 4 gauge going into the amplifier right there. The cap now I'm pretty much using it more for a voltmeter and a distribution block. The issue that I ended up doing with fixing this electrical issue was up front. But before I showed you guys that, I just want to let you guys know this amplifier, there's nothing wrong with it. For everybody that thinks that it was made bad or whatever, it's, in other words, what the problem is that this amplifier requires a lot of current to be used in the vehicle. So if your electrical system is not up to the task for this specific amplifier, it's not going to work for you. So you got to do some electrical upgrades. I learned that the hard way, actually. So that was the first step that I did, was replace all the wiring from that cheaper wiring to the OFC wiring. In this case I used sky-high car audio wiring. Real quick, I want to show you guys what I have in my car. Nothing crazy, this is my everyday car. So I'm running this KICKER CXA1200.1. I have the SoundStream digital bass machine here, and I'm also running this crunch amplifier that I use for my mids and highs. The capacitor, like I said, I'm just using it now pretty much for a distribution block and a voltmeter. Before this setup, I had a KICKER L7 that I ended up selling because I actually fixed the problem of the bass going into protect or whatever. So I wanted to upgrade to something bigger. So now I'm actually using this brand new 15-inch KICKER Comp Q, which is rated at 1100 RMS. I have it in this 3 cubic feet box. I wanted to go with a little bigger box, but I'm actually a little limited on my space in my trunk. I actually have a hatch, so either way, I mean, it works fine for me, but that's perfectly fine. So yeah, all the wiring is sky-high car audio, OFC wiring. I have all there. So real quick, I'm going to show you guys what I ended up doing to fix the issue that I had. Alright guys, there it is. Excess Power D3400 battery is what I ended up using to get this system going. I was looking at some reviews and looking a lot of places up, and everybody recommended the Excess Power. And let me tell you guys, this battery is a beast. It solved my issue. So right now I can tell you guys I'm using this right here, sky-high car audio, the 0 gauge. And I did the big 3 on my car. Actually, this is the original alternator, but I actually just ordered myself a new higher output alternator that I found at a local shop here by my house. 170 amps. The original the original alternator is 100 amps, so hopefully that will give it a little bit more power. But yeah guys, that's all what I did in a nutshell. If you guys are having the same issue with this specific amplifier, I recommend 2 things. Upgrade your wiring. If you guys haven't, go from the 0 gauge to the back, because it's pretty much opening the floodgates of your electrical all the way to the back. And second, get yourself an excess power battery. There's different kinds for your vehicle, so you guys could figure out which ones work best for you. But for me, the excess power D3400 worked perfectly fine. So yeah guys, I'm gonna try to make a video later on to give you guys a demo on this sub and how it performs. I'm actually in love with it. It's pretty good. I wish I would have had space for 2, but I actually don't, since my car is kind of small. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free to comment. If you guys are still having the same issue with this amp, hopefully I can give you guys some tips and help you guys learn what I did. Alright guys, till next time, peace.